Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, it's Christmas and also we cannot do without Christmas drink. That beautiful, wonderful drink, Sorrel. Oh, we can do without Sorrel. At the moment, I got the dry one. You can get the green one. If I was in Jamaica, oh my days, my grandmother always planned Sorrel, and I would just go straight up to his field and I would just pick that Sorrel and get it ready for Christmas. But today, we also can get the dry one in the local supermarket, local shop, and the high street. Anywhere you can get the dry Sorrel. Well, I want to say the dry Sorrel is really strong. You have to be careful how you're using it. But I'm just giving you all of the tips and how you can do the dry Sorrel. Well, for me, if I'm gonna make a video of how to use the Sorrel, the dry one. First of all, I have a pack right here which is 125 grams of Sorrel, of dry Sorrel. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out roughly a cups out of it to make a nice bottle of Sorrel drink for Christmas. You need white rum, is a must for your Sorrel, and you need some clove to give it the flavor and to give it a lovely taste. Guys, you need some ginger, and I'll tell you something, I'm gonna do the video for your Christmas Sorrel drink. I'm giving you the tips now. If you have the green one, get it ready, and if you have the dry one, get it ready. Right here I have the dry Sorrel, and I'm gonna do another video for you how to do your Christmas Sorrel. It's gonna be the #1 Christmas Sorrel this year for 2014 from Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna pour out some out of it to show you the way it look and the way it stay. I'm gonna pour some in my container right here and make you guys see. So I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and enjoy the Sorrel drink when you make it with your rum fruit cake. I'm gonna make your cake. It's coming soon. A big surprise for you guys. Well, this is the way the Sorrel look. Inside of the bottle right here. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and enjoy yourself. And this one is from Chef Ricardo. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment if you like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.